Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's me, Camille, baby, your little rock star coach. What's up? So, welcome to my morning marketing minute. And I am going to talk to you today about going to town and doing some summer cleaning. Oh, what am I talking about? All right. So, hey guys, welcome to the Rockstar Group. Baby, you're a rock star and I love you. I care about you. And I'm here to give you simple strategies. I teach women simple strategies to improve their social reach, get more eyeballs on your stuff so you can help more people. Okay, the way to do this is to clean up your list. Okay, what do I mean? Okay, so go look at your personal profile. I start by messaging. I start by the people in memories. I start there and I go through who I was friends with last year. And if I haven't heard of them and I've sent them 10 messages, obviously they don't give a crap about my stuff. Oh, that hurt. That hurt because I know and you know that you had the best solution to the problem, but they ain't listening to you, so remove them. All right. And also, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Last night, I did a purge on my Instagram. People I was following. Because I am not getting any leverages, no likes, no comments. My engagement is way down. So I took some advice from one of my mentors and someone I'd taken some classes with. And she said that you need to watch who you follow. And I was following people on Instagram that hadn't even posted since December 17. Okay, like July 2018, haven't even posted a post. So go in there, look who you're following on Instagram and unfollow them. That will leave more room for people to find you and to get that social reach you need to be a rock star online. Okay, so I am in my leadership series over on my fan page. So if you haven't liked my fan page, give a quick like, turn your notifications on, because I will be there around 11 a.m. this morning to talk to you about number 4, okay, series on 5 leadership qualities that make good leaders. You got to be a good leader if you want people to follow you. Hello. All right. So, and tonight is Wednesday webinar where one of my mentors, 8-figure earner, Norbert Wallowitz, he is going to lay it down a foundation and a game plan, and my ears are all open. I hope yours are too. So put webinar, I'm just going to put a link in there in this description. So get on the webinar Wednesday night. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I used to go to Wednesday night prayer meeting and I never missed, but sometimes, you know, God sends us what we need to hear, and it might not be Wednesday night prayer meeting tonight. So tonight, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Central, you got to be there. It's the most powerful presentation that he's going to give. When this guy talks, mama listens, okay? And so far, I have gained followings. I went to his webinars about building my list. I gained like 400 people in a couple weeks with my email list because I did what he said. So I am going to share my mentor with you, for free tonight. Okay, yeah, maybe I should charge it. All right, take care. Y'all have a wonderful day. And remember, people can't find you because your news feed on Facebook, your Instagram followings, your Twitter followings, whoever you're following ain't getting your vibe, so you need to remove them, okay? So get to cleaning house, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Love ya.